everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, welcome to the 2020 official fall home tour. Me and Miss Mia welcome you into our home. Mia's always in a video someplace, somehow. So if you like puppies, this one is a good one. Anyways, guys, I gave you a glimpse of my town, my small town here in southern Ontario. I wanted to show you the sights and our beautiful river. We are famous for that river. It's called the Grand River. It's absolutely spectacular and beautiful. So I wanted to give you a glimpse of what southern Ontario looks like in the fall, because it is spectacular. Now, you all know I like to babble, so let's get into the video. Come on guys, I'll show you my house. As you can tell, this is who really rules the house, is that little puppy. But let me show you the decor. These are just some corn stalks with some faux eucalyptus in fall colors, and I just added a ribbon. And there's the queen of the castle. That's Miss Mia. Now, I haven't filled it in with my pumpkins yet because I just haven't had a chance to go get them. But I want to show you guys what I've done here. More corn stalks, and this is pampas grass from the side of the road. Yes, ma'am, that we get that in southern Ontario, so it's a really nice thing. And I just think it looks warm and welcoming, and I showed it on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, you totally should. I love how this turned out this year. I think it looks so cute. The corn and the mums that I got are really good. Okay, this is the view that you get when you first walk into my house. I always have this up, these two galvanized buckets, and I usually have a welcome sign, but I switched it out for fall for this sign that I got last year at Joann's. And these leaves are a big, huge hit all over Instagram. And I paired them with these pics from Michael's. I think they're so cute, those tiny little white pumpkins. But I really like these leaves. I'm going to try and see if I can get some at the end of the season, maybe on clearance. So that's the one side. And then here, where the staircase turns, I just kind of made this little vignette using a blanket ladder, these old like crates that I had, I just draped thing. And then this is the lantern from my shop. It's so simple styled, guys, and just a pillow. But when you look up, which is hard, and we're going to go up there right now so I can show you what I did. Now, I have a full video on this if you're interested. This is the easiest centerpiece ever to make. I mean, it took, what, a few minutes? Not really. And it has a lot of impact. Okay, this is the view when you're looking down from up there. And let's go downstairs now. On this tiny little table, I really wanted to use my bird cage. So I just wrapped a garland and put a pumpkin in there, and then I have some wheat and another one of my favorite pumpkins. You're going to see those pumpkins all over the house. This is my dining room. I know, it's very formal. I'm a traditionalist. What can I say? I like formal furniture. I know it's not for everybody, and I always say that I'm going to change it, and I try, and then I chicken out. But I wanted to give my dining room a little bit of a French flair, so I'm starting to add some stuff to it. Now, I might bite the bullet one day and actually paint those chairs. This is my little bar cart. I really didn't do anything. I just added a fall floral arrangement, some cocktail napkins, and a little cute pumpkin. And that pumpkin's from the Dollar Tree, guys. I should paint the stems of them. I think it would look better. Okay, so here's a look, and I want to show you this before we get into the hutch. This is my fireplace in my dining room. I love having a fireplace in the dining room, especially now for Thanksgiving coming up and Christmas. Oh my God, having a fireplace in the dining room is the best. My table's set really simple. I really didn't do much because we will be celebrating Canadian Thanksgiving here in just under 2 weeks, I think. This is what I did for a centerpiece. I had these glass hurricane vases, and I just added some acorns and some pine cones and just some candles. And I love this. Also, if you're wondering how I achieved this look on my fireplace, I do have a video up on YouTube showing exactly what I did here and what I used and where everything is from. And also, this centerpiece is another centerpiece I made, and if you believe it or not, every single stem in there, except for the big giant eucalyptus, is from the dollar store or Dollar Tree. At Dollar Tree, the eucalyptus is from the dollar store. If you notice, on both sides of my hutch, there's these 2 black mirrors, and I always hang a wreath there. And now I'm going to show you what I did inside my hutch. I know I promised you guys a video, but time was not on my side to actually film this. So I'm showing you what I've done here. And I love it. I think it's great. I didn't go overboard this year. It's just small, cozy little vignettes. I just wanted to showcase my fall stuff that I have. And I did add a lot of mercury glass in here because I still love my mercury glass. I still love it so much. I just don't want to get rid of it. The little plates in the back, those are from Pier 1, and they're really old. And guess what, guys? I heard Pier 1 is coming back, so I'm pretty excited about that. And there you can see the hutch. I opened all the doors so you guys can get a better view. Okay, like I said, it's really simple. It's not for everybody, but I really like it. I think it turned out really great this year. Okay, where are we going now? Let's go back to the front hallway. Okay, this is my front hallway table, and so many people ask me about that mirror. I'm going to tell you again, that mirror is one of a kind, and it's made by my dad. You'll see it in detail in a minute. But here, I did something really simple. I just added real pampas grass, real wheat, a pick, and a couple of pumpkins in my dough bowl down at the bottom. And here I just have some picks on another placemat. And this, guys, so simple. I love these amber vase. I got it at Hobby Lobby. And this, my friend, is all from the dollar store. Yes. $2 a stem. I think there's maybe 10 stems in there. Now you can see the mirror in detail. My daddy made me that mirror, and it's very sentimental to me, and I always have it in my home, any home that I've ever been in. I love this mirror. I think it's so beautiful. And here's the little door that you just a couple steps down, you go to my powder room, and let's see. Okay, the coffee bar. Now, I have a full video on my coffee bar. So I just want to give you a quick look of what I did. And I got the candle going. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, shameless plug. Yes, that is the 2-tier tray from my store. Okay, let's leave the coffee bar area now and head into my living room. Guys, I love the way my living room looks this year. It's cozy, it's clean, it's uncluttered, it's easy to maintain, and that's what I really wanted. And I love my new Mackenzie Child candle holders. I'm a little obsessed with Mackenzie Child now. It's kind of a expensive obsession, so I'm gonna have to tone it down. But here's my antique chair with a bunch of pillows, and this, I'm going to show you this right now. This is my little shelf. But on the top of my shelf, this is, I think, my favorite vignette in the entire house. I don't know why. I just think this turned out so cute. Those are candle holders that Dad made me, and they're mahogany and an amber glass vase. And here's my little shelf. I just laid this garland on top, and then I used what I had. I really used what I had, and it's very, very simple because this year I couldn't go fussy. It had to be simple. I don't have time to clean and dust everything. So that's what I did this year. Okay, guys, let's get to my favorite part. I love how the fireplace turned out. Now, this might not be for everybody, but I just love it. I absolutely love it. I love the colors. I love the textures. I love the mix that I did this year. I love these branches from Hobby Lobby. I think they are so cool. And there's all my favorite pumpkins, the plaid ones from Michael's. I just love them. I think they're the best pumpkins ever. I know. I don't even know if they have them this year because I haven't really been out that much to shop. But I really like how this turned out. And I love the organic. I wanted my house to have a little bit more of an organic feel. And here's my couch. You can see Miss Mia again. Trust me, she's in every video. And here's a look of the other side. I have these two chairs and on this little table. And this little table and my two lanterns. Those are the lanterns actually from my shop. And guys, keep in mind, I'm going to introduce brand new lanterns that are so cool. Wait till you see them. You guys are going to love the new lanterns. But these are really nice. They're a nice staple, but I am so excited for the new ones. Okay, now we're into the kitchen. There's a little bit more Mackenzie Child stuff. You know, a girl's got a passion. What can I say? I recently did a video on my kitchen, so I'm not going into full detail here. I'm just giving you an overview of what it looks like. You'll notice if you saw the other video, there is a cake stand in the middle there with fresh cookies from our local farmers market that I picked up. So good. So good. If you want to see the how I styled the kitchen, the video is going to be in the playlist, so just look for that. And here's the other area, my sitting area of my kitchen, where we sit and eat breakfast and, you know, dinners, because we're like a little family. But it's really simple. It's very, very simple. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, because it really helps me know if you like these kind of videos. So I'm just giving you a once over again, and I'll show you my view when I wash my dishes, because I love the way it looks. I love the family room. I think it's fantastic, and yes, that is a lot of candy corn. So here's my view when I'm washing dishes or by the sink. I just love that I get to look into the family room. And then I'm going to take you here, and this is the last look. Okay guys, what'd you think? That is the end of the home tour. I hope you enjoyed my home tour as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Please make sure to give this video a big giant thumbs up, and that will tell me if you like this kind of content. You're always welcome into my home, and thank you for stopping by today. I really, really appreciate it. I love my subbies from the bottom of my heart. You guys all know that. So guys, thank you. I know this year my home is a little more pared down than usual, but don't worry, Christmas is coming, and you all know that I'm a little crazy for Christmas. So I will be having a ton of videos for Christmas, so stay tuned for those. Also, stay tuned for a few more fall videos that I have. I have some videos that I really want to share with you guys for the fall season. And yeah, that is it. So I hope you enjoy your fall. I hope you enjoy fall wherever you guys are, in your hometowns or your cities, because fall is a beautiful time of year. I love that Mother Nature just paints these amazing, gorgeous colors everywhere for us to enjoy. Enjoy the food of fall, enjoy time with your friends and family if possible. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will catch you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a fantastic weekend. And I will see you on Monday. Mwah. Bye, guys.